If you are someone who aspires to be a very effective energy healer, I have a very important message for you which can practically transform the way you heal. After struggling with energy healing for more than 2 decades, I finally got my eureka moment when I started using quantum healing. And like me, if you too dream of being a very powerful energy healer capable of creating absolutely amazing, miraculous results, then hang on and listen to my story. My name is Sachin Karve and I'm from India. These days, I'm majorly into training and energy healing. Well, I did my first energy healing certification course around 25 years ago, followed by several other courses, hoping that someday I would be able to create fantastic results that were promised at the end of every course. Unfortunately, like many people, I got completely lost in the long winding procedures, the methods, visualization, rituals, symbols, and all those things that were required to get the healing done. Frustration is the only thing that I got. I was not able to get much of any healing results. And I was on the verge of giving up on my dream to be an energy healer. In the year 2016, something absolutely amazing happened in my life. I went into a very deep state of silent mind. And in that moment, a healing experience that happened made me realize that I had gained the ability to create extremely powerful healing absolutely in no time. I would call it the easiest approach to healing available on this earth. The simplest, the most effortless way to do healing. No steps, no practices, no rituals, no symbols, no sending any energy, and no negative consequences to the healer. Just amazing healing experiences in the most effortless way. After treating more than 500 people for a variety of health issues, I realized that this was something that could be very easily taught to people. And I ended up teaching this particular method of quantum healing to practically hundreds of people. The method is so simple that most people would not even believe that something so simple could give such profound results. Just being in a state that creates the no mind, holding a healing intent, and receiving communication from the patient's body. It is as simple as that. This is something that you practically need to see in order to believe. The patient's body does whatever is required in order to get the healing done. The healer almost needs to do nothing. During the lockdown, I realized that this method could be used remotely on video call, and I ended up practically treating more than 200 people across the globe using healing on video call. That was when I realized that I had to do something in order to make this powerful technique available to everyone across the world. And with this intention, I published a book on this particular healing technique. And in March 2021, I put up my online video course so that people across the globe could learn this powerful healing technique called quantum healing. With this course, you'll get 5 hours of video content in more than 40 structured video lessons covering quantum principles, healing demos, practical guidelines, various healing examples, and my personal support whenever it is required. As against other energy healing courses, which cost as high as $400 or $500, I decided to price my course low so that people across the globe could afford it. I have specially priced my course at 1/10 of that cost so that it can be available to people across the globe. To know more about the course, the content, what people say about the course, and to have a look at the unbelievable offer that I have made, click on the link given in the description below and enroll in this course before the offer ends. Happy healing and have a wonderful day ahead.